Welcome back to the very last installment of the Angular 16 New Features series. The last topic I want to highlight is non-destructive hydration. This topic is in discussion since quite a long, but in Angular 16 it has come in the better shape. The non-destructive hydration is one of the newest feature added in short to Angular 16, and that is what I am going to discuss. The non-destructive hydration is the server-side rendering support feature which Angular was lacking when compared to React. Before Angular 16, the hydration was destructive for server-side rendering, which means the whole application was getting destroyed and then getting completely rebuilt on the browser every time when it was loaded. So re-rendering the DOM every time from scratch is something that threw off Angular. But from Angular 16, this issue has been resolved with significant improvements for server-side rendering. The new non-destructive hydration approach prevents the DOM from getting destroyed every time it is bootstrapped. It uses the same DOM and attaches it with the event listeners, making the application reactive but without rendering it again and again. Also, there are features like build system is getting updated with the ESBuild based system. This is going to increase the speed of the building the application by a fair margin. So few features which I have discussed and upcoming updates, you surely can say that Angular has a pretty exciting future.